If you have issues with the judgment of the Supreme Court, the best you should do is to pray to your God. As it is said, after the Supreme Court, the next is God. We are here today to present a formal letter to the Attorney General of the Federation and the Minister of Justice, demanding that he uses his good office to rein in politicians who are determined to ruin the collective destiny of Nigerians. The Supreme Court of Nigeria is the final court of the land. It is not heard of that politicians will by themselves create another Supreme Court outside of the Constitution of Nigeria. When you demand through blackmail that the justices of the Supreme Court will revert a decision of the court, you are indirectly telling them that you want to create another Supreme Court. There is no further appeal after the judgment of a Supreme Court. As it is, there must be an end to litigation. And we demand that the Minister of Justice use his good offices to ensure that the judiciary is defended. We cannot malign the honorable justices of the Supreme Court and expect the ordinary citizens to have confidence in the judiciary. We are solidly behind the justices of the Supreme Court. We salute them for the erudite judgment they delivered in the case of Imo State Guba election. The judiciary is the final hope for the common man, and our Supreme Court is the final authority. We urge every concerned citizen, if you have issues with the judgment of the Supreme Court, the best you should do is to pray to your God. As it is said, after the Supreme Court, the next is God. We expect that by tomorrow, the Supreme Court will ask those who are blackmailing them to go home and pray to their God. The case of Imo State is decided and dusted. And as you can see, the masses of Imo State are happy. If you listen to the news, you would have seen that the State Assembly, in a unanimous motion, supported the decision of the Supreme Court in the case of Imo State. And we are here to ask the Honorable Justice to do his work. This letter has been copied to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Chief Justice of Nigeria.
The judgment, it has been taking place by the experienced judges, 7 Supreme Court judges that passed the judgment. I believe those people, they are experienced judges. So there's no way some unpatriotic politicians will come and say all kind of things. So they wanted to destabilize the good process of Nigeria. That's why we are here to support, and we also urge the Nigerian and the judiciary, they should not disturb. We are behind them.